Welcome back, homeowners. I'm here today to talk about something that unfortunately many of us will face at some point, but surprisingly few of us are truly prepared for: filing a roof insurance claim. Whether you're dealing with storm damage, hail, falling trees, or just the inevitable wear and tear that comes with homeownership, knowing how to navigate the insurance claim process can literally save you thousands of dollars and months of frustration. Think about this for a moment. Your roof is arguably the most important protective element of your entire home. When it's compromised, everything else you value inside is at risk. Yet most homeowners have no idea how to properly document damage, what their policy actually covers, or how to work effectively with insurance adjusters. That changes today. Let's start with the immediate aftermath of damage. Here's something most people get wrong right from the beginning: they wait too long to take action. The moment you suspect roof damage, whether it's from a recent storm or something you've noticed gradually getting worse, you need to act quickly. Most insurance policies have strict time limits for reporting claims, typically anywhere from 1 to 3 years. But the sooner you report, the stronger your position. Your first step should always be safety and temporary protection. If there's immediate danger or active leaking, address that first. Take photos of any emergency measures you implement, like tarps or temporary patches, because these costs are often reimbursable under your policy. Now let's talk about documentation, which is absolutely critical to a successful claim. This is where most homeowners either make their case or lose it entirely. You want to create a comprehensive visual record before anyone else touches your roof. Take photos from multiple angles, both close-up shots of specific damage and wide shots showing the overall condition. Don't just focus on the obvious damage either. Look for missing or damaged shingles, exposed nails, granule loss, and damage to gutters, flashing, and vents. Here's something interesting that many people don't realize. You should also photograph the interior of your home. Water stains on ceilings, walls, or in the attic can provide crucial evidence of roof damage that might not be immediately visible from the outside. These interior photos can be just as important as the exterior ones when it comes to proving your claim. Consider this next point carefully because it can make or break your entire claim process. Before you contact your insurance company, it's often wise to get a professional inspection from a reputable roofing contractor. Not just any contractor, but one who's experienced with insurance claims and can provide detailed documentation. They can identify damage you might have missed and give you a preliminary estimate that helps you understand the scope of the problem. When you do contact your insurance company, be prepared with all your documentation organized and ready. You'll need your policy number, the date the damage occurred, and a clear description of what happened. Be factual and stick to the observable damage. Don't speculate about causes or make statements about what you think should be covered. What's particularly important is understanding that the insurance adjuster who comes to inspect your property is working for the insurance company, not for you. They're trained to minimize claim payouts. This doesn't make them your enemy, but it does mean you need to be prepared and advocate for yourself. Consider having your roofing contractor present during the adjuster's inspection. They can point out damage that might be overlooked and provide professional insight into repair needs. Now let's address one of the biggest mistakes homeowners make: accepting the first settlement offer without question. Insurance companies often start with lower offers, expecting negotiation. If you believe the settlement is inadequate, you have the right to dispute it. This might involve getting additional estimates, providing more documentation, or even hiring a public adjuster to represent your interests. Here's a key insight about timing that many people overlook. Even after your claim is approved and you receive your settlement, you typically have up to a year to reopen the claim if additional damage is discovered during repairs. This is called a supplemental claim, and it's more common than you might think. Sometimes damage that wasn't initially visible becomes apparent once work begins. Think about this when choosing your contractor for repairs. Make sure they're properly licensed, insured, and have experience working with insurance claims. Get everything in writing, including timelines, materials to be used, and total costs. Never pay large amounts up front, and be wary of contractors who go door to door immediately after storms. One final point that's crucial for your financial planning: understand how your insurance company pays claims. Some pay the actual cash value up front and then the depreciation amount after repairs are completed and documented. Others might pay contractors directly. Know your policy's payment structure before you start repairs to avoid cash flow problems. The bottom line is this: filing a successful roof insurance claim requires preparation, documentation, and persistence. Don't let the process intimidate you, but do respect its complexity. Your roof protects everything you've worked to build, and your insurance policy is there to help you maintain that protection. If you found this information helpful, I encourage you to visit our website where you can download a complete roof insurance claim checklist and find additional resources to guide you through this process. Remember, being informed and prepared is your best defense against both storm damage and claim disputes. Stay safe out there and protect what matters most.